Hello and thank you for watching. My name is Edwin van der Linden. Today I am in Duisburg. We will be witnessing some of the most experienced skippers operating a vessel within the vessel train concept. That will be done in a simulation room controlled by DST. And the goal of today is to see whether there are still some safety issues to be addressed within the hazard studies. Let's go inside.
My name is Matthias Tenzer. I'm an engineer at Development Center for Ship Technology and Transport Systems in Duisburg, and we are here today at in German Schifferberufskolleg Rhein, a school for mariners for inland vessels. So within the project, of course, we develop a system that the following vessels can operate automatically, and today these following vessels are operated manually by a skipper. We are here in the simulator room and performing today a manually controlled vessel train. So we have here 5 bridges at the moment, and they all operated by experienced skippers. All bridges are running at the moment in one exercise. The 5 vessels are running downstream at the moment with a velocity of approximately 20 kilometers per hour. And we have a look at the distances between these vessels. They are at the moment controlled, of course, manually. And in a few moments we will the skippers have to deal with some failures. I give them, for example, a machine failure or rudder failure or something like that. We like to have a focus on safety issues and workload issues that we perhaps forgot in the hazard study to have a safe vessel train later on.